Introducing the brand new Works Switch Driver, the heavy-duty drill with patented 2 rotating chucks so you can switch between bits in a second and get your projects done just about twice as fast with half the hassle. Look, changing bits the old-fashioned way takes too long. With Switch Driver, you'll get twice as much done in the same time. And ever need to keep one hand on the project and change bits? Now you can. Switch Driver is a heavy-duty drill with all the raw power you need to drill or drive into any material. Switch Driver is fueled by a 20-volt max lithium battery for maximum power and long-term extended endurance. Regular batteries start to lose power right away, but lithium batteries run at full power all the way to the end of the charge, and Works puts those 20 volts in a compact, lightweight size. Switch Driver will always be ready when you are because the battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. Ordinary drills have a huge chuck that can damage your work or make it hard to get close. Switch Driver has a compact chuck so you can work where other drills can't. And it's versatile because Switch Driver can use hundreds of standard bits already available in your toolbox or at your local store. Now you can switch from drilling to driving, Phillips to flat, drill bit to paddle bit, screwdriver to socket. Switch Driver will save you time and hassle on any project. Using Switch Driver is as simple as pulling a trigger. But if you ever need them, it's also packed with professional features like variable speed, electronic torque control, dual gears for high power or high speed. There's even a built-in LED light.
The Works Hydro Shot, the world's first portable power cleaner that lets you clean anytime, anywhere. Fueled by a 20-volt max lithium battery, it's self-contained and pressurizes any freshwater source. Just grab and go to clean anywhere and everywhere, leaving dirt and grime where it belongs. You can even use your normal hose and boost its pressure up to 10 times. Don't let messes build up. Quickly and easily maintain your outside spaces and gear all year with the Works Hydro Shot. Ready, aim, clean.
Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.